Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is part 2 of the Scout Crafter Birdhouse Challenge. I've made the drawing, got my dimensions. Now I'm going to transfer them to the plywood so I can actually start making some cuts. Never get done if I don't get started. Okay, we're going to make this thing 12 inches tall. And since I'm making the side wall first, that's the easiest one to lay everything out on and make sure I've got my dimensions correct. Just take my drawing. This Raptor square lets me work off the edge and make the dimensions and make the lines, so it's kind of easy to work with. I could lay it all out by, using a tape measure and marking out the dimensions, but the Raptor square makes it a lot faster. Now this side over here is a factory edge. I'm going to try and go off the factory edge as much as possible. I cut this one with a saw, and it's close to straight, but it's not as good as the factory edge on a piece of plywood. Now I have to mark out all the things that I want to cut and leave. So that I don't end up trimming away something that I want. Is this absolutely necessary? No, but I found that it keeps me on the straight and narrow. Now I can cut these parts out and get ready to do the assembly. Well, here we have the general shape of the birdhouse. Looks similar to what the picture for the old workshop is. Close enough that it'll kind of give you the idea. Now I'm going to have to cut some reinforcements for the corner pieces. Then I think I can glue this thing together by putting the sticks on the inside. A couple of clamps, let it set up, and we'll be good to go. I don't know if I'll put a lot of nails in this because there's not much material here to actually nail into. Nailing into the edge of a 1/4 inch plywood piece is problematic. But if I put some braces in the corners and put some glue on it, I think I should be just fine. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.